A 5-bedroom house on an extremely compact 1,770 square feet site. This was the challenge faced in the Floating Courtyard House. Over time, houses are becoming larger and larger, and in situations like this, it was necessary to think beyond the usual. Here, the planning journey began with the search for a central space that would unite all the spaces on all levels. A common open space for the family to gather and interact. From this, the concept of a courtyard on the first floor was created. An interesting idea of a double-height courtyard, overlooking all the interior spaces. Developed according to vastu principles, the common areas of this house unfold in an open plan with open living, dining, and kitchen areas. The generous openings on the north and east-facing walls resulted in the space being flooded with daylight. Born from simplicity and minimalism, it is a response to the desire for a unique and functional home. The parents' bedroom at the rear extends to the edge of the plot, creating a cozy nook for the room. Light plays an important role in the design of this house. It adds a different dimension to the interior spaces with poetic variations throughout the day. The minimalist staircase in exposed concrete with wooden treads beautifully wraps around the floating courtyard. To avoid the seclusion of the master bedroom on the other side, a visual axis is created between the bedroom, the staircase, and the courtyard. The north light enters the house through the courtyard, keeping the house flooded with natural light, and the pergola at the top of the courtyard easily conveys the sense of time passing throughout the day. On the first floor, the family living room opens onto the courtyard on one side, giving it a direct visual and physical connection. The thick brick walls provide reasonable thermal comfort inside the house, making it climatically responsive. The ceilings are in exposed concrete and the flooring is done in gray Kota stone. The large window seat in the bedroom overlooking the staircase frames a magnificent view of the courtyard with the pergolas. The bedroom culminates on the other side with a linear balcony lined with planters that bring in light throughout the day. Tucked into a tight space of 4 feet, A folded metal staircase acts as a surprise element connecting the second floor to the terrace level. Despite the rigidity of the building envelope, the design addresses the movement of light and air in ways that provide an experiential journey through the house.